So hi everyone, in this video I will show how big pain in ass is to change the thermostat. It's on E60 525 diesel, it's 3-liter engine. I think it's M57 or M57 or N57, I can't remember the code. And all you have to do is remove this plate, then ventilator. Then also you have to remove the ajar cooler, because otherwise you won't be able to reach there. I don't know if you can see or no. So there is one bolt for the thermostat. I don't know, I can not easy to show, but maybe you can see from here or no. But there's a one bolt behind this pipe, which you won't be able to open it if you're not removing it. Yeah, I can show you in video. Probably if I put the lights from that side, you will see or not. No, that's. Oh yeah, you have to remove the ajar cooler anyway, so otherwise you won't be able to reach the one bolt. So when I'm gonna remove, I will update the video. Yeah, so now I removed the ajar cooler, and this is the bolt which you wouldn't be able to reach if the ajar cooler is on. So now I have to just remove the thermostat by itself. So it's quite a big pain in the ass to get to the thermostat. So thermostat is removed. So normally the new thermostat coming with a new gasket and some pins as well. So the reason why I'm changing that's because it's warming up quite slow, so I believe it's because of the thermostat fault. So this one is 88 degrees and this one is the same, 88 Celsius. So this is the aftermarket. It doesn't cost that much, but the pain in the ass to get it off, because this is the location where it's going in. So let's put back together. So all is fitted back together. Now I have to top it up the antifreeze coolant, and this bolt on the top of the ajar, you have to. This is the bleeding bolt. So you're opening that and filling up the coolant. You have to fill it up until it's coming out down there, because it's highest point of the all cooling system. So which means if you will have air in the system, it will heat up the engine and it wouldn't work properly, it wouldn't cool it. That's why it's important to bleed it, make sure there's no air in the system. You can hear the air coming out slowly. It's filling up. So you see, they came out the bubbles. And that's it. Tie it up and your system is free from the air. So thanks for the watching and see you in the next video.